Volcano steam vent. It really...
I'm not sure you're not supposed to smoke near the steam vent. Oh.
You're not supposed to breathe it in either.